Southside. What y'all niggas know about the dirty South? One time. Lord forgive me for I've said over and over again, just to stay on top. I recall memories filled with sin over and over again and again. Yo, when you hear talk of the Southside, you hear talk of the team. See niggas fear Prince and respected Preem. For all you slow motherfuckers, I'ma break it down iller. See, Preem was a businessman and Prince was the killer. Remember? He used to push the bulletproof BM, say I get you seasick. I sat back and peep shit. The road was easy wider then. They didn't get blunted. Had the whole projects working for 50 or 500 as a youth. All I ever did was sell crack. I used to idolize Cat. Hurt me to my heart to hear that nigga snitched on Pat. How you go out like that? Rumors in the hood was just for snitching. I ain't believe that, Paul. He helped me cop my first year XR. Had the 4Runner, the Z, the 5 and the 3. Used to drive his truck through the hood, dragging jet skis from Gerald Wallace to Baby Wise. Don't be surprised at how freely I throw our names of guys who dealt with pies like LA and Wise. L got shot in the neck, they told us connect. Them niggas who shot him got up for 10 bricks. Fucking Dominicans turned around and gave him more bricks. Lord forgive me for I've said over and over again, just to stay on top. I recall memories filled with sin over and over again and again. That first verse was just a dose of the shit that I'm